get to go to school, guys? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you going to school now? Me too, I have to go to work with your dad, eh?
Yes.
Yeah. So when you come back from school, come, eh?
Yes.
I give you the key for the door. Just open and stay at home. Don't go walking around, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Daddy, I want money.
Money?
Yeah.
Okay. You...
At school I'll be hungry.
Okay, I
want
don't.
money.
Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna get you.
Be good at
So
school,
how
okay?
much?
You want money?
20 rand. 20 rand.
Really?
It's too much.
But
You're gonna share, eh? 20 rand. You got 10 rand, 10 rand, eh? Yeah.
Okay, my boys.
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay. Thank you.
Like father, like daughter, like son, like mother, okay? My boy, come, give me a hug. I'm going to work, okay? Yeah. What do you say to mommy?
Bye-bye.
Love you, mommy.
Bye.
Daddy.
I love you, baby.
Okay, be good, ne? Be good at school, okay? Remember, when you come back from school, come straight home, okay? As we are going to work with your daddy, okay? Yeah.
Yeah, come go. Thank you, ne? Sharp. Okay, kuna ukashindwa hayo.
Yeah, na mweso kunjito kumkavelo kwelewilo.
Ah, I'm sorry.
Tamsakana pala, ne?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, kwede ukashoda hayo kuna ukashindwa kumkapare wazumu tinyengo sono baba sono we.
I know what, I'm hungry. Let's find something to eat. Don't tell mom that we eat it. Come on, let's eat. Nice. Nice, huh? That meat was nice, huh? Yeah. Let's watch TV.
Okay.
This channel is nice.
So, Dwayne, why you leave the door open?
Hello.
You're not gonna give mommy huggy? Hello. How are you, baby?
Fine.
Okay, how was your school?
It was fun.
Really?
Yes.
Mommy. Paula's told me to say I must not tell you that shit meat.
What?
Leave me. I'll tell Mommy.
Yeah, tell me everything.
He said I must not tell you we ate meat.
Yes.
And then he finished all the meat.
What? What happened? Why did you eat meat? What happened? I told you to not eat meat. Tell me everything. What happened?
He said I must not tell you to eat it. We ate all the meat. We finished all the meat. And I ate it.
Wait, you finished all the meat? Baby!
Sorry, now mwana mesa ni mwana mesa kuziwa kale mwana eti ngo akati wakuchito kumisa makala gani atoka mesa na usifuata kala mati mwana.
Ninauza kuta kaje ndiyo. Ndalama unapasa. Ndiye tovuta chani aliambiwa chukua chani.
Nifanye
ndiye amene tu hata beleze.
Mimi mwana.
Baby, sapa katonto.
Mwana ni wewe sina mapanga simeni zino. James.
Hiyo
Chani ona hiyo ni mwana na usama ziwa china chichosi.
Koma kwa kiza anakula kwa menda kale.
Mwana nanga kula kisa mwana mame.
Baby, why you eat meat, eh?
Si mwana tabia
No. Big.
Nasi ya maya wa akangote wa byanko yasimile usafiri.
What did you eat me?
Ya, wangote wa fanjalo kabisa sindi zo.
What did you eat me?
Ukoza kuge.
What happened? Why you beating your sister? Why?
Why?
What happened? What happened?
Finish all the meat.
Yes.
And meat, I ate the meat and you.
But why? But he's saying the truth. Yes, he's saying the truth, Scholar. What happened? Okay, sorry. Don't beat your sister, okay? Don't beat your sister.
Yeah.
But next time, don't eat meat again. I'll beat you. You are like your father said I must not beat you. Yeah? All of you are gonna beat you. Next time, you eat the meat. You're not gonna eat for 2 days, okay? You're not gonna eat in this house for 2 days. Mziwa rangi sana. Yeah, leave it. Mziwa na bandi. Chanya babu. Ana uzorangiza. Umalemeka na wa. Yeah, na ukala kusubwa rangiza na ama kula kwa hii. Saba
ngakoti mwapeza zakude chanchanje msadanda ule mungapeza zakude koma musamenyane mwamve mukazoka sukulu kumupeza zakude chanchanje muzitenga zakude zamchani musisike chongo zausa kandi njale